Welcome to this technical guide on the Huawei GT3. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Huawei GT3 is struggling to hold a charge, you're not alone. This is a common issue that arises as batteries age and lose their efficiency. If left unaddressed, it can lead to your device shutting down unexpectedly, which can be quite frustrating, especially if you rely on it daily. Fortunately, we can guide you through the process of replacing the battery yourself. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a suction cup, and a replacement battery specifically for the Huawei GT3. To begin, ensure your device is powered off completely. Start by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the body. Be cautious as you apply the prying tool along the edges to separate the screen without damaging it. Once you have created a small gap, carefully slide the prying tool around the perimeter to fully detach the screen from the device. Next, locate the battery connector, which is usually secured with a small Phillips screw. Remove this screw and gently lift the connector from the motherboard. At this point, you may need to remove additional screws that hold the battery in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully take out these screws, ensuring you keep them organized. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the battery out of its compartment, being cautious not to damage any nearby components. If the battery feels stuck, a little heat from a hairdryer can help loosen the adhesive. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard and secure it with the screw you removed earlier. Before closing your device, it's a good idea to power it on to check if it charges correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've confirmed that everything is working, carefully align the screen back onto the body. Press firmly but gently around the edges to ensure a secure fit. If you notice any gaps, double-check that the screen is properly seated all the way around. To prevent battery issues in the future, try to avoid letting your device fully discharge frequently, and keep it away from extreme temperatures. Regularly updating your software can also help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.